Introducing the latest addition to IP-COM's access point lineup, the W39AP in-wall dual-band Wi-Fi 6 access point, compact, efficient, and designed for seamless in-wall installation. Here's the product box with the model number clearly printed and a QR code for easy setup via the IP-COM Profi mobile app. Let's unbox it and check what's inside. Right on top, we have the W39AP device wrapped in a frosted protective cover. Below that, you'll find a screwdriver kit and the quick installation guide for easy setup. Here's a closer look at the access point. On the front, you get an Ethernet port. On the back, there's a PO port for both power and data, along with mounting holes for a flush wall installation. Let's begin the installation process. First, connect the AP's PO port to a PO switch using an Ethernet cable. Once connected, you'll see the front panel LED indicator start blinking, signaling power on status. Now, we'll configure the device using the IP-COM Profi app, available on both Android and iOS. Let's walk through the steps. 1. Create a project. Enter your project name. Select the project type, we'll go with traditional WLAN. Choose a scenario like home, office, hotel, or customize as needed. Set your location, including country and city. Tap Save to proceed. Add device to project. You have 3 options to add a device: 1. Via Wi-Fi. 2. By scanning a QR code remotely. 3. Manually by entering the serial number. In this video, we'll choose Scan Device on the network. The app will begin scanning your local network and detect available devices. Once the scan is complete, select W39AP version 1.0 and continue. Configure Wi-Fi settings. Next, set your Wi-Fi SSID and password, for example, W39AP_testing. Tap on Advanced Settings to choose Security Mode. Select Wi-Fi bands. Set Max Client Limit. Show Hide SSID. Save the settings and the AP will begin configuration. Project confirmation and device info. Once completed, you'll see a summary screen showing the project name, date created, and AP model. Dashboard view, app navigation. Head back to the dashboard and tap on the W39AP project to view detailed information including IP address, MAC address, serial number, firmware version, device status, device controls and maintenance. From here, you can restart the access point, enable/disable the LED indicator, delete the device, and even upgrade firmware directly if updates are available. And that's it, your W39AP in-wall access point is now installed and configured. Thank you for watching. We hope this step-by-step guide helps you get started with IP-COM's powerful and compact Wi-Fi 6 solution. For more info, visit www.ip-com.com or contact your local IP-COM partner.